Today I would like to present to you a problem that we already tried to solve and partly solved in the last semester. The project is about real-time health monitoring, and the prototype we have developed is called CHEST. It's cooling, it combines health, it combines safety and textiles. So in these projects, you will have to work with iOS applications. You have to program in iOS. And for sure, you have to work with wearables and smart textiles. And the focus of this semester is actually that you have to work with real-time health monitoring. So what is the project about? In the last semester, some of you are still sitting in the audience. Last semester we did this project, and to show you what it is actually about, I would like to show you the trailer we have done last semester. No sound? Good, then I will explain it.
Suit initialized.
Perfect.
Receiving vital data. Warning, stress level critical.
So the stress level is still critical, but what you have seen here is actually a problem that is quite present in many domains. So at the moment, some people have to wear protective clothing, and real-time monitoring is really a problem. And we are trying to help them to realize such a prototype. But to summarize it, I want to show you what we have achieved last semester, actually. So last semester with this team, with a very small team, like it's usual for this practical course, we made it that the prototype, you can see it here, we made it to CeBIT. So we presented the prototype we have developed at CeBIT behind a curtain area where we actually could present it in a face-to-face talk to customers. And this was so successful that my boss said we should continue with it, and this is why I'm here today. So what will we do next? The next step is not going to space, but bringing some parts from space down to Earth. And this is actually the health lab. The health lab is a very sophisticated measurement lab that provides you several health monitoring data. You can see here a central unit, and this unit is connected, here's the central unit, and it's connected to some sensors. And our goal is, in the last semester, we just used a weather station for providing health data and the shirt that is commercially available. But this semester, we are trying to use this health lab And this little unit is providing a Bluetooth connection, and there's no mobile application available for it yet. So we will develop this together. So what you actually have to do is we have to, as you have seen it, it's just on the table at the moment, we have to do a textile integration. We will also think about new user interaction possibilities. So we will use the flick button. It's a simple button, very tiny, that provides a Bluetooth connection. So we are trying to connect it to or integrate it even in the textile, that we can think about new interaction possibilities for the people wearing such suits. You will have to work with Bluetooth low energy and normal Bluetooth. You will have to integrate this health lab that we are working together with our partner. Sure, we have to think about how to provide this data to these persons that are wearing these protective textiles. And we have to think about new interface concepts. Because especially in such environments, maybe all information the health lab is providing is not very helpful. So we have to think about a context-aware user interface where we can provide this data in a meaningful way. Sure, also a doctor that is maybe far away needs to know how these people in these suits are actually feeling or how this data are at the moment. So we also have to think about a good user interface for the iPad that the doctor or the medical advisor can see such data. Here you can see a little simulation, a test lab actually, and this is where our prototype should be located. You can see a little walking simulation. You can see that we can provide wind and certain, it's a climate chamber. That's actually what it is. And what you can do here is you can simulate certain climates and certain stressful situations. And you should provide a vertical prototype where we can test all these new interfaces under real conditions. So now I talked about the problem, but what do we actually offer? We offer for sure real problems, as Professor Brügge already said. We will provide latest hardware. We will provide sophisticated technology that is used also in aerospace. We will provide a creative environment, this I can promise. We also provide industry and research know-how. We are working with, together with the VWeb. There are a lot of scientists, medical advisors that are interested in such applications. And for sure, what we need is real teamwork. So you have to really be able to form a team and to work together. Now we offer a lot, we also require a lot. For sure, we will require a lot of creativity. We really need to know how to form and how to build such user interfaces. For that, we need your creativity. We need problem-solving skills because some things are not solved yet, and we have a clue how we might solve it, but we don't know it yet, so we have to go the way together. At the end, you have to deliver a real prototype because we want to test it with, in this climate chamber. You also have to meet our high-quality standards. There will be a lot of iterations until we find the right and applicable user interface. And you need communication skills. There will be a lot of discussions with also the customer how we could design such a thing, and it will be an iterative process for sure. So that's it, and I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you very much.